guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here today. So as you can see today, I am in a different place. It's so beautiful. I'm in the middle of like a gorge. It's so beautiful. So this is the month of September, so I'm beginning a new challenge. I finished my 21 days of skipping challenge and it has been very good, and I enjoyed myself and I lost quite a lot of weight. So now I'm into my stage 2, my new phase. So September I'm going to be continuing with my fitness and wellness. I'm going to be doing more of the outdoors to get the fresh air, connect with nature, because some say there's healing in nature. So I'm just gonna be grabbing every healing and just grabbing every fresh air I can before winter comes, because you know how it is when winter comes. You can't go outside and you can't even enjoy all this. So this is what I'm doing, going to the parks, going to the woods, going to the mountains like this one, so that I can just enjoy nature and get healing from it. It's gonna be fun. So today I just brought my family just to kind of chill out and just hang out with my family, just enjoy ourselves as a family, just having some family time before kids go back to school as well. So guys, this is amazing. So I just encourage somebody, if you've got time with your family, hang out with your family, just kind of go out into the nature, just enjoy the nature as a family. It actually helpful, it's healing as well, it's just good and refreshing as well. So guys, I think you should all do this, right guys? I will check you later. So I love taking nature walks because of its some of its benefits towards our human nature. So just the calming effect that the woods have. So it's quieter here, it's more calming, it's more relaxing, and I just feel protected. I feel kind of safe as well, and just the fact that you're just all by yourself, no distractions, because sometimes work life is destructive, urban life is destructive. So kind of taking a break as well, coming into the woods, taking nature walks kind of helps you out as well. And it's actually, there's healing, like I've always said, there's healing in nature. So it's kind of grabbing all that healing, and it's so good, especially with mental health. It helps with mental health as well, because when you just kind of reduce stress, just empties out your head, it's really good and beneficial. Some do say that actually helps boost your immune system as well, I guess because you are less stressed, so your immune system works very well. Especially now I'm doing weight loss, so I really need a boost of my immune system, anything that can help me with my immune system. So taking walks, being calm, being in a calm space, being in a relaxing space like this, and a lot of oxygen, a lot of time to breathe is really beneficial for me as well through my journey. And I just love the nature because it just reminds me of my childhood, the freedom there is in the forest. You can scream out loud, you can shout, you can jump, like there's no neighbors telling you to keep quiet or calling police on you. So like I love that. It reminds me of when I was young. I just used to love taking walks in the woods, being free, just being happy as well. So that really brings good memories in my life. So it's awesome. It's awesome. Yeah. So guys, I just encourage somebody, take your time, take a break, go into the woods, go into a space that is more free, more calmer, especially now with all these pandemic situations. You need some time to take a break, just be yourself, refocus, and just kind of feel good, right? I might say a lot, but I just enjoy these moments, guys. These are my favorite parts, and I just want to keep on doing them before winter falls. Yes, definitely. So guys, I will see you again into my next video. Hope you take nature walks as well and enjoy the green.